investors are not just participants. They are valued partners in shaping the province's continued growth and shared prosperity. Patuloy po sana tayong magtulungan sa lahat po ng iba't ibang sektor para po sa isang Batangas na matatag at handa po sa hinaharap. Being the mother of the province, hindi ko po kaya lahat. Kailangan ko po ang suporta at partnership ng bawat isa para harapin ang isang mas matatag at progresibong lalawigan ng Batangas. And being the mother of the province, my best wishes on your future endeavors. And being the governor, if there's anything I can do to be of help to support all of you, please don't hesitate. Basta't kaya po, I will be here to support you 100%. Kaya para sa atin, mabuhay po tayong lahat at maraming salamat po.